Hi, and welcome to this video where we are going to be going over BoxySVG, getting started, navigating around the program. BoxySVG is a vector editing program where you can create vector images and shapes. So let's start off by just looking a little bit at the user interface of Boxy. Across the top here, you have your file menu. And when you click on these different options, there's different options underneath. So under file, you could save your image, you could import, export. Under edit, you can undo, copy, paste, select. View is where you're going to be able to add in any guides or zoom in and out on your file. Object is really where you work with different objects. You can pull them forward, pull them back, flip them, transform them, group them. Shape is where you're going to work with different paths. We'll get into paths later. Text is just all of your different text options if you have text on the screen and how you can manipulate the text. Tools is going to be working from these are the options that are also on your tools panel, which is over here on the left. They're also up here in this drop down. Panels is what you have over here on the right side of your screen. And of course, your help. So that's the file menu. Your canvas here is this white space. This is what exports. So anything that you have on the white space will export. You can also utilize the gray space, but when you're completely done with your file, this portion over here will not export. So you want to make sure that your finished items that you would like to export when you're done are on the white space of your canvas. On your tool panel, we'll get into more of these later, but this is where you will use these tools to draw something. So you've got different shape options, selection options, path options. And then over here on your panels options, this is where you will edit whatever you have created from the tools options. So you can fill them, add a stroke, just do different things with them, arrange them differently. So one thing you might want to do is click on each of these and they will pop out so that you can see the different options as well. So to maneuver on your canvas, what you can do is you can click this pan tool. It looks like a hand, and you can click and drag it around, and it can help you maneuver on your canvas. You can scroll up and down using your mouse or your trackpad. You can zoom in and out on the canvas by going up to view and zooming in. Or you can go to view, zoom out, and there's also some keyboard shortcuts there as well. So you can hit minus on your keyboard or plus to zoom in, use the pan tool, and click and drag around to get to different places on your canvas. So that's a little bit about just a standard overview of the user interface and how to maneuver around the canvas.